Okay, this is a 2010 Jeep Patriot that won't start. I'm not getting any power to the starter when I hit the ignition switch. I haven't seen a video really explaining anything on this. There's no starter relay on these. It's part of the Tpim, the Tpim. People say that there's corrosion on those relays on the bottom. It's covered right now, right there. I didn't find any corrosion, and those, from what I know, they don't have anything to do with the starter. I guess if you do find them corroded, I mean, that's a good place to start. But if you don't find them corroded, I even changed out my my ignition WCM, the wireless control module, and it didn't do anything. It still had the same problem. So I did find a video of somebody explaining this. I believe they call it the C10 connector. Now this is where you get power to your starter. Okay, it's gonna be the yellow and gray wire. So what I did is I had somebody turn the ignition switch and check for power at the wire, and I didn't have any, but I did have power at the other wires when they turned over the key. So what I did, and what you can do to find out whether your Tpim is bad and don't spend any money on your wireless control module like I did on the ignition switch, I put a jumper on one of the blue wires to the yellow and gray wire, and then when they hit the ignition switch, it started. And when I took the wire off and turned on the vehicle and tried to start again, it wouldn't start again. So I'm gonna send this to get rebuilt, since I just bought a brand new WCM. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but I'd rather have my old one back in so it'll match up to my new WCM. But yes, I'm letting y'all know, for the 2010 Jeep Patriot, if you have a no start issue and you have that red blinking light on the dashboard, I haven't seen any videos really helping out on this issue. But yes, turn this over. This is the C10 connector, and it's a yellow and gray wire. See if you have power there when they're hitting the ignition switch. If you don't, jump it, and if it starts, you know this is bad, because somehow this is the part of the starter relay. There's not a separate relay for this. And you know, check all your fuses before you all do all this. Well, my fuses were good, because if I had a fuse bad, it wouldn't have started. But so I'm taking this off, and I'm going to cross my fingers that it can get repaired right. I'm going to send it to on eBay. That's where I saw that they have repair service for these, or you can buy a new one. But I'm not trying to get a used one and then have to go get programmed. I'm rather just send this one off and see if, you know, if they can find out where it's acting up so they can fix it. So I just wanted to post this video so y'all know where to check, because I didn't find anything on this vehicle. Even the schematic is terrible in the parts manual. But yes, check this wire out. It's the yellow and gray wire on the 2010 Jeep Patriot. It's probably the same on other vehicles. All right, bye.